Alright, so I just cut it out, flipped the other way around. I've left my material right where it was. I just want to be able to put this piece back in here. Get this guy this way. So now I can go ahead and engrave on the back a couple of spots to stick the skewers. Alright, got this guy all cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and paint fill it and get it ready to go on the cake. So on the back you can see I've got these two little indentions from the engraving. That's where my skewers are going to go. They're about 1/8 of an inch wide. And these are just cheap skewers, wood skewers, but they are food safe, and that's important.